to my channel from Los Angeles, California. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. I'm a model, I'm an actress, I'm a mother, I'm a wife, inspirational speaker, darling, fashionista, but above all else, I am a makeup addict, and I am here to talk about a new launch from where else, JUVIA'S place, as well as ABH. ABH came out with some skin complexions. This is a hot mess right here, but I'm going to look for the foundation. Well, where's my foundation? Okay, so ABH, I did the foundation, the skin complexion first. Let me start with that. And I used the darker shade in Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I know this by heart, 590C. That is exactly what I have. They sent me 5 foundations, and my PA in London was able to show me the foundation shades that they sent me. So I went over to Ulta, and I found out that they were a little bit too light. But I love ABH, and I appreciate the fact that they sent me PR. So I bought this with my own money because I am the darker shade. Let me admit one or two things. I've been out here running on the beach, and I've gotten so much darker, which I love. Do we love the hair, darlings? So I ended up using the darker shade. The foundation is like skin. Beautiful. It glided on beautifully. Congratulations to Novina, you did a good job that you got this shade and it's not red. As soon as I feel like it's too red, I'm like, not studied us sisters. So I'm gonna give you a fabulous F.D.V approval. I love it. Congratulations, Novina. I see all the wonderful stuff that you're doing out here, and this is beyond and fabulous. So guys, you go and check that out. While I was here, guess what? JUVIA'S place has come out with another palette, the NOMAD palette. Let me read the back. It says the NOMAD eyeshadow palette, one of a kind, true embodiment of beauty at its finest. Together we stand strong, confident and bold. Consists of 9 highly pigmented eyeshadows. Fabulosity. Look at the packaging. I see olive green, I see autumn leaves. I've taken out the slide and the bubble wrap, and here we are, because of course I've already done the makeup already. We have 2 shimmers, the center and the outside one here, which you can put on your lid, you can put on your brow bone, you can put onto your tear duct, and then you've got 7 mattes here. Look at this palette. Doesn't it remind you of autumn leaves? As soon as I saw this, I was like, Lord Jesus, help me. This olive green is fabulous. And then they have like a dark green. It's not like an emerald green, but it's a nice dark green. Then you've got the orange, the yellows, the peach, and then you've got the lights. And of course, you have the combo where, again, like I've said it so many times, with your shimmers, you can touch it on your lips, you can put it on your lids. It gives you that fabulous effect. How much does it retail for? $20. Well, not exactly $20. You know why? Because I have a discount code that does not expire. You can use it anytime on the website to get all of your goodies at checkout. Now, you must be saying to me, Fumi, don't go so fast. We want to know the details. Alrighty. Cruelty-free product. Designed and formulated in the USA. Eyeshadow palette net weight 18.9. And let me tell you this, it is 24-month shelf life. Cruelty-free. I'm all for that because I love animals, I love pets, and Adrian is becoming curious now with dogs and co. So I'm not going to say too much. Let us sit back, enjoy the makeup sensorial, and I'll see you on the way out, and we're going to find out if this is F.D.V approved or not. love, darlings? Do we love? I went there today. I even put on like a wig. This is a wig, guys. I'm out in LA here, and these girls, they wig it. When I go out and I'm like, but didn't I see you walking on the beach the other day? But you know what? Be fabulous, do your thing. So this is a wig, and then I have my little hair clips here. Ooh, can you see a little bit of the wig? Let me hide that. Now you know I'm going to take pictures now on the other side. And as you can see, I'm wearing my Fumi collaboration JUVIA'S lippy because, and I'm so excited, I chose this lip because when we started this collection, we were in fall. You guys did not know that. And I wanted you guys to have a summer nude, and I wanted you to have a rich berry fall. So now that we are approaching fall, I just feel so sexy and snazzy that I did this, and I put this lip color as part of the collection. So guys, love it. As you see, I popped off with a bit of navy blue. I'm feeling fall, I'm feeling rich, I'm feeling dark. I wanted to do something for my dark skin girl. I've gotten even darker because I'm out here in Cali, running on the beach in the sun in the mornings, and I love it. And I wanted you guys to have a little something rich, little something sexy. Yes! So, Ula, my love.
Is it F.D.V approved?
It is absolutely. It is absolutely F.D.V approved. Ladies, you already know that it is on sale on the website. They sold out, bada bing, bada boo, the first batch. So keep your eyes peeled for the second batch, unless you're gonna miss out on a fabulous fall palette. Again, JUVIA'S, please, thank you so very much for sending me PR. You know that my love for you guys is real, but I have to stay professional. So I review every palette like the first time. I will say that you have not disappointed yet. And congratulations on this palette. It is absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, girlfriends gotta go. I got stuff to do. I got people to see. And I will see you on the next episode. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my loves. Mwah, mwah, mwah.